Hi everybody, I hope you are well and keeping safe. Well, it's the first week back of our new summer half term, 7 weeks before the summer holidays apparently, and I know that although the weather has changed, we've been extremely lucky. This week's been really busy from not only in school but also outside of school. I know that the years 3, 4 and 5 have been working extremely hard on their online learning, and next week you have an art explore sheet coming out as well as your maths and English, but again an opportunity for you to be creative in lots of ways that I know you've been brilliant in. So this week in school we've welcomed back year 6 and also quite a few new key worker children. So we have nearly over 100 children in school. The year 6s and the key worker children have been absolutely amazing. They are keeping their 2-metre distance, and they're really enjoying their time in school. So yesterday was the first day of all of them in, and we're having our second day today, and they are brilliant. So we've been working really hard with them and I'm very, very impressed. But for the rest of you, I want to keep you motivated and keep you working hard, so I'm introducing back their Head Teachers Award, and I'm going to start with this week. I've asked your teachers to pick 2 children, as usual, as we would do on a Friday. Pick 2 children who they feel that over the past 10 weeks have really worked extremely hard. Now that was a hard decision for the teachers, as there's been so many of you producing so much amazing work, the challenges that you've reached and the hard work that you've done. But they have bitten the bullet and they have decided 2 children. But don't be disheartened, we will keep doing this every Friday, and maybe next week or the next coming weeks you will be the one who's being awarded for all your hard work and determination and resilience from working at home. So let's have a look and start off with year 3. So I've got my list here. So in Apple class, a big well done to Lauren for completing home learning task with dedication and enthusiasm. So well done, Lauren. And also for Will, for always putting a smile on Mrs. Boniface's face and giving her valuable feedback. Well done, Will. Keep her working hard, please. In Lilac, we've got Betsy and James have both got Head Teachers Awards this week for just being brilliant. They've written some great detailed plans for an information text on trolls using adjectives and adverbs. So well done, Betsy and James. And in Cherry, we've got Emilio for consistently handing in outstanding work. Lots of enthusiasm in all the explore sheets and getting his whole family to take part as well. Brilliant, well done, Emilio. And Eunice for showing remarkable resilience, giving his best even when the work has been really challenging, and he's worked brilliantly with his brother Rosaire. So well done, Eunice. So well done, those year 3 children. Like I've said, year 3, keep working hard and maybe you will get the Head Teachers Award next week. Okay, so now let's move on to year 4. Now, the 2 children from Magnolia class were not just picked from Mrs. Harrison, but from a number of teachers who have worked alongside all the key worker children during the last 10 weeks. So the 2 children picked are Nathan and Tyler. Now, both the boys have been attending our key worker group right from the start and have been brilliant. They have shown resilience, they have shown determination, but also shown maturity. We have linked up with the infants quite a bit over the lockdown period, and they have been very, very good at looking after the little ones, showing them what to do and making sure they're keeping their 2-metre distance. So well done to those 2 boys for the maturity that you have shown us over the past 10 weeks. So well done to you. Now let's move on to Linden. We have Lily. Lily has worked extremely hard and submitted her work very regularly. Mr. Cockcroft is extremely impressed with you. And the second one is Sophie. Sophie has worked extremely hard on her spellings. Now, if Sophie's anything like me, I struggled with my spellings and therefore I had to do some extra work just to try and make sure that my spelling was up to scratch. Sophie is doing brilliantly, so well done for that extra challenge, Sophie, and keep up the spelling work. Now we move on to Cedar class. We have Jacob. Now I've got a great big long list of all the work that Jacob has done. He has baked Anzac biscuits linked with his Australia geography topic. He has played his drums during Music Week. He's researched the Industrial Revolution and has even managed to make a steam-powered piston engine during our history topic. And Mrs. Cobb has also been extremely impressed with all the science experiment photos that he sent in during Science Week. So hopefully, Jacob, you will like the art week that we've got next week as well. So I like to see all the creative stuff that you're doing. And then the second person from Cedar class is Amelia. She has worked extremely hard and sent in some really amusing videos that Mrs. Copper's really enjoyed. So well done, Amelia. Keep sending them in. Now we're going to move to year 5. So in year 5 in Rowan class, we've got James for the amount of effort and hard work he's put into all of his learning. So well done to you, James. And the second one is Daisy. Daisy has tried extremely hard in all of her work, but especially in her maths. So Mrs. Reaney and Miss Fatesi would like to sort of recommend you for this award for all the hard work you've put into your maths. So well done. In Mulberry, we've got Caitlin and Louis, both for the same reason, for consistently submitting work to a high standard and high quality, showing great resilience and self-motivation. So well done to you two. And in Acacia, we've got Jessica and Daniel, again, for all their hard work that they've been doing during this lockdown, for submitting all their work and their pictures that have been sending in. So well done you two, and keep it up. And then finally, we have year 6s. So over the past 10 weeks, the year 6s have worked really hard, and Mrs. Wilding really wanted to make it known that she really struggled trying to just pick 2 children. So the 2 children she's picked for this week are James, for going above and beyond, making fantastic PowerPoints and videos. And the second one is Thomas, for working really hard from day 1 and also continue to do so as well. So well done to James and Thomas from Elder class. Moving on now to Redwood, we've got Rosie and Dominic. Rosie for throwing herself into everything, and I know that since she's been back she's also thrown herself into everything here, so well done Rosie. And for Dominic for working to a really, really high standard. That's what we love to see just before you move on to secondary school, so well done Dominic. And finally we have Asa class, and we have Barney for his creative work on the explore sheets that he's done. And I have to say I'm very impressed with this. His very funny and informative video of King John. Brilliant. During our history week you were told to pick a time in history, and Barney picked King John because he was a bad king, and he's done a brilliant video that really had me laughing, so well done Barney for that. And Isla, again for creative work such as her sculpture of a kiwi, the bird from New Zealand, and for her super work on the environment during Science Week. So well done to all those people. Your Head Teachers Award is a virtual one, here it is, so congratulations to all those children. But next Friday, let's see who else will be nominated for one of these. Keep up the good work, keep motivated, and hopefully I will have some news of what's coming in the next couple of weeks. So take care, stay safe, and I really, really hope to see you all very, very soon. Bye.